beautiful start to the month of June, guys, as this master indicator once again nails a sweet sell-off for well over 240 ticks. So let's get into today's live trading recap, guys. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. First things first, happy June, right? I mean, honestly, how fast is this year flying by? We're almost at the halfway point of the year. And the question every one of you traders out there should be asking is, how is your trading going thus far? Right? And you shouldn't be afraid to ask that question because, you got to be honest with yourself in the trading game. Are you profitable year to date, or have you lost money trading year to date? Or maybe you might be break even, right? You might be one of those people that make a whole bunch of money, and then because you have no risk management techniques, you just give back all your profits. And one thing that I can tell you that I learned many, many years ago is it's not about how much money you make, it's about how much money you keep in the trading game. And risk management principles and following those risk management principles is going to make the difference. I'm telling you, all right? It's going to make the difference between making money and losing money every day for the rest of your life. That is the truth. So to all of you that have struggled this year through 6 months of the year, this is a long time to be struggling. If that's you, please make the decision to do something different. Anyway, guys, let me get you dialed into today's live trading. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action chart of the NASDAQ. You already know this is the only symbol that I focus on. I freaking love this symbol. It gives me so many opportunities each and every day. And as you know, I only try to trade the morning session. And my definition of the morning session is 9 a.m. through 11:30 a.m. All right, now today was very interesting. The market was moving extremely fast. Okay, so you can see here, let me just dial you into the first trade of the day. This one was kind of a mixed bag. You can see here the volume indicator had turned green. So obviously I was looking for long retracements, and this one was really attractive to me here. You can see this deep retracement here, right? Look how deep this candle is underneath the color band. This is basically a perfect retracement opportunity. So I absolutely had to go long there. You can see I went long 2 contracts on the NASDAQ, got filled around 684, and I was able to take profits on the first half of the trade. You can kind of see that right there. I made a little bit of money on position 2, but of course on position 3, you can see here the vol indicator turned from green into red right there, letting us know that the sellers were now in control. And thankfully, I had moved my stop loss, as you can see here from these NinjaTrader live markers, all right? I had moved my stop loss from here to here as soon as position 1 was in profit. And this is a technique that I teach every one of my new customers on the first day that they onboard. Why? Because this is how you manage your risk. You understand? So that was trade number 1 today. Kind of a mixed bag, but it's still only 9:35 a.m. in the morning. So you know that I'm going to keep looking for trades and high probability setups. And lo and behold, guys and gals, take a look at this outrageously gorgeous retracement setup against the vol indicator color band that showed up right there. Now you can see this is a really nice retracement. I got filled on this short around 663 on the NASDAQ. I liked everything about how this thing just pulled back, and retraced perfectly to the vol color band. That's why I had to pounce on this short. And you can see right here with your own eyes, I was able to dump the first half of my trade in profit around 639. And of course, my big money bag on this trade was right here, guys and gals, where I locked in 240 ticks in profit. Now I know what people are going to say. People are going to say, hey Mark, you left a lot of money on the table because there was another 150 tick move in my favor even after I closed this short. And once again, I have to keep reminding and educating retail amateur goofballs out there that there's no system in the world that will ever catch the exact high and low in every market. I mean, if such a system existed, the person who built that system would be making $1 billion every day, right? The best you can hope to do is identify high probability setups each and every day and try to capture a small piece of a large move. Guys, I'm telling you, you'd be surprised at how profitable that idea can be, right? I mean, take a look at my long here, right? I was able to capture a small piece of this long move. I didn't make a lot of money, but I made a little bit of money over here. And then when the trend changes, as it did right here, you can see the vol just nailed a beautiful trend change. You can see it transitioned clearly from green into red at this exact moment in time right here. Well, now we're going to be looking for shorts. And I just did the same thing that I did before, which is try to look for high probability setups and try to catch a small piece of a big move. So listen, guys, this is what I try to do each and every day live trading the market. This is the job of a trader. And if you've been a customer of mine in 2024 and you've mastered these risk-reward metrics, then your trading results are hopefully phenomenal through today, June 3rd. And on the other hand, if you have been struggling and fumbling and bumbling around with goofy indicators and cluttered, confusing trading systems, then listen, here's the truth, man. Like, this is a simple, clean, and what I consider to be logical, mechanical, rule-based system to trade the market. We're 6 months into the year, and if you haven't made any significant progress, then maybe it's time to change what you're doing and get involved with a simple trading system that actually makes sense. So to all of my people, congrats on a very strong start to the month of June. I think this month's going to be epic, and I'll see you in the next video. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.